how to ask Power BI services to notify you when a certain threshold has met. For example, when the sales target is met. So you want the Power BI to send you an email or show notifications on your dashboard. So how to do that? Well, we can really go to a report and says that we want this. So let's say we want this item, and then we want to really pin this item. So click on this pin, and I want to pin it to my existing dashboard. Let's see if that works. Let's go to dashboard, and I have the pin, right? This is a gash. So click on the gash here, and you have, so for example here, see that? So I click on the manage alerts, add the alerts rules, and that is the quantity sold and total quantity sold. So you see that if it's above 5 million, so let's just put there as a so 5 million is the one right above. So you have a few options you can choose from. I see that I can give a name, say when the above total quantity previous year, right? That's previous year, right? Above. Anyway, the whole idea is to show you where you can find the manage alerts. So here it should say total above 90. Then what you do is that, well, if it's above, then you can do this, right? So you can send an email. So you can check the notifications. You can ask to notify every 24 hours, or if it's so critical, you can use an hour. Every hour you send it, if that is very critical. Alerts are only sent if your data change. So if your data change, so now let's go back to here, send me email to. So again here, yeah, you can choose this item. We will choose this here. Yeah. So finally click save and close. Then what happens is that now you have this. Now you see that here, manage alerts. So click on this. You have a new alert here. If you don't want, you can, of course, you can just click on this delete button to delete that rules. And that is how you configure manage alerts. So manage alerts, as explained here, is that for example, a company has a requirement that they want to be notified when the total tickets metrics on the tickets goes above a threshold. So it has to be a number, but the number become meaningful if it's fulfill a certain rules. So if the total tickets is above, say, hundreds, then you have to notify the customer service team to look into the issue. If it's below, there's nothing to be done. So all these notification can be automated. Power BI will just automate and send you an email if that happens. Well, very cool feature and very relevant. Okay, so you can see here, these are all the same step. Now this feature is available to whomever has access to the dashboard. So you can be the sales manager who don't design the dashboard, the sales director who don't use to design the dashboard, but they are given access to the dashboard so they can view it. Not just the dashboard owner. Dashboard owner is the one who designed it. Right? Alright, so she says share this sales dashboard to the sales director. So the sales director can easily do a configuration. So maybe we share this Let's say you click on the share button, you can share it to the sales director's email. You can see that I will share this, so the sales director definitely can have the ability to share this dashboard. A lot of recipients build content with the dash data, so you want the sales director to add more things, so maybe not, right? They are so busy, so they just want to look at the very few items that is, so for them to make decision. Alright, so that's it, and that is how you configure the alerts. Just click on the manage alerts. You can add another rules. You can well, you can have the rules, but you don't want to make it alert. You can keep it for future usage. You just test it out, and then you don't want to just turn it to active instead of deleting, so you can have always the rules available there. That's all. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we can master Power BI one at a time, one idea each day.